Where does the name for Lostrigg Beck come from? So today I'm in Cumberland, just outside Little Clifton, and this stream behind me here is called Lostrigg Beck. Let's get into the name.
The name Lostrigg Beck is actually made up of two different names that became joined together over time. The second part, Beck, is the easier of the two. It comes from Old Norse, the language of the Vikings, bekkr meaning a brook or a small stream. It's one of the most recognisable legacies of Viking settlement, and it appears in hundreds of place names across Cumbria and other parts of northern England. The older name is Lostrigg itself. Isla Tekval derives this from the Old English word chlosse, meaning pigsty, and rik, a word referring to a ditch, channel, or a small watercourse. That gives the name the sense of the stream or the ditch by the pigsty. The second element, rik, is quite an unusual one in place names. It ultimately comes from a Germanic root meaning something like to stretch or to extend, and probably explains how it came to refer to a long, narrow watercourse or a ditch. At some point, the Old Norse word beck was added to the existing name, creating the rather redundant Lostrigg Beck, literally the pigsty stream. This kind of duplication is surprisingly common in place names, where speakers of one language add a new descriptive word without realising the name already contains the same meaning.
Anyway, deal, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, like today, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Deal. Have a good one.